Hang on, everyone. It's a Funko video. Let's go! Aloha Maniacs, Ryan here, the Mystery Maniac, here with another weekly unboxing. Now I put a poll out on Facebook and Instagram to see what type of unboxing we should do today. And I would say it's pretty unanimous what the answer was. So it was pretty much a 3-to-1 odd, or 3-to-1. So what we're gonna do, a little crazy, we're gonna do 1, 2, boom, and 3 mystery boxes today. So let's before we get started, let's go ahead and get into our good luck G baby threads. Yes, all you have to do is believe. Anywho, let's get these boxes on the floor over here. It might be easier to work with that. So we'll go ahead and move these guys down here real quick. Okay, then we will get started. Okay, first box here today is this is the box from Kernel Toys. It contains the 2020 Mickey Chinese New Year Asia exclusive pop. So let's take a look and see which one we got. I know that there is a chase available, so let's see if we can go ahead and get that going. As always, the knife. Alrighty. Okay, here we go. I didn't see it yet, guys. Let's see if you guys, we'll show you guys first. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, boom! Oh! It's the Ajax, it was just a regular one, so it's all good though. Look at that. That's a collector one. Chee-hoo. Awesome. Yeah, the box is in pretty awesome condition. They ship these pretty well, so yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, all right. Good first box, good first box. Waiting to get warmed up. Okay, second box is gonna be from, next box is from Gamer Hogs. Let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. It might be easier just to open it up. Wow. They send us a bunch of pop protectors, which is cool. Right on, right on. Okay, first pop. Oh man, they're packed in here pretty good. I have to turn this guy sideways and help me out here. Okay, first pop is Jafar. Nice, from Aladdin. Jafar from Aladdin. Oh, you remember Jafar. Iago. Genie, I wish to be the most powerful sorcerer in all the world. I can't do Jafar's voice, but you know what I'm talking about. Jafar. Alright. Number 1. Okay, pop number 2. Here we go. And badoosh. What do we got? We have Dipper Pines from Gravity Falls. Never really saw Gravity Falls. Never watched it, but I think my daughter does, so this might be a fun one for her. Box seems to be in okay shape. Cool. Good one, good one. Didn't have that one either, so that's a good hit. Next one up. What is this? Sheriff Woody. Nice. All these Disney ones, I love it. Love Disney pop. This might be a Disney box. Love Disney. Nice. Sheriff Woody. Very nice, very nice, very nice. All right. Number 3 in this box. Swoop. Who's this? Yes? From WreckIt Ralph. I never saw this, or I saw this movie, yes? Huh. And I don't even know who this is. Love this movie. Might be WreckIt Ralph for Halloween. Bam! WreckIt Ralph. That's a good one. Alright, I don't have that one for sure. Okay, number 5. Sweet! I saw he's my way. Ha! Nice. I like to use this meme because it's fun, but he lives in a pineapple under the sea. It's got a rainbow and everything on the thing. It's crazy. SpongeBob SquarePants. Soot, soot, soot. Okay, last one in the box. Last but not least, we have Violet from The Incredibles. Love this movie. Is this the first one or the second one? Incredibles 2. Incredibles 2. Good one, good one, good one. All right, so first 6, not bad. We got another box that we got to go through, so here we go. This next box is from Galactic Toys. All right. Looks like it's a little easier to open this now. Okay. I just realized that I was off screen. Sorry about that, folks. Here we go. Open the box. Alrighty. 6 pops, looks like. Here we go. Pop number 1. Badoosh. Who we got? Ramathorn from Super Troopers. Is it Super Troopers 2? Looks like from the first Super Troopers. Very nice. He's the first half of Team Ramrod. Got that healthy mustache. See that? Who wants a mustache ride? Nice one. Boom. All right. Pop number 2 in box number 2. Who's this? We have, oh, it's upside down. We have Venomized Rocket. Nice. I love Rocket. Oh no. Are we still going? Sorry, my battery's gonna die. Alright, Venomized Rocket. I love Venom. I love Rocket. This is a good one. I like it. I don't have it yet. Alright, number 3 and Soot. Who do we have? Thor. Oh damn, not just any Thor. We have Thor from Endgame. We got Fat Thor. We love it. Look like the Big Lebowski. Do you know what's coursing through my veins? Cheese whiz. Great stuff. Good stuff. Alright, that's good stuff so far, man. Alright, next one we got Deathstroke. Deathstroke. This one's kind of cool. Nice. It's in a pop protector too. I should have grabbed this one. Bah! Messed up. Very nice. Yay! Oh, that one's in a protector too. Oh. And we got number 1. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Venomized Daredevil. Nice. This is kind of crazy. It looks almost like Carnage. Carnage with horns. That's what we should call him. Devil Carnage. Bow-bow-bow. Alright. Last one. It is in a pop protector. Let's see what we got. Ba-doo-doo. You guys see it first. Who we got? Tommy. Tommy from the Power Rangers. Nice. Y'all know Tommy. Tommy's a Green Ranger. He was in charge of the Green Dragon, and he had a whistle sword. Y'all remember the whistle sword. Alright. Pretty good haul so far, so let's take a look and see what our value is. We'll be right back.
Few moments later.
Alrighty, Maniacs, we're back and we got the values here. But before we get into that, real quick, something you could do for me, please, if you like my videos and you want to see me continue to do them, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. It takes you less than about 5 seconds to do so, and it's completely free for you guys, which is awesome, and it benefits me. It tells YouTube basically that I'm doing something right and to watch out for this guy. Okay, so anywho, let's get into it. I'm making my own sound effects now. And here are all the values. This is my super high-tech value board here. As you can see, most of the pops are worth between $5 and $11 here, which is not the greatest, but to be honest, I spent $30 on the last 2 boxes that contain 6 each. So even at $5, 12 pops, $5, that's 60 bucks. I already made my value back. So I made at least my value back. I probably made about maybe like 10, 15 bucks or so, which is pretty good, I guess, for a bunch of pops I don't have, so I can add them all to my collection, which is awesome. But this one right here, the one that I bought on purpose, that I could have got a chase with, this guy right here, I bought for 25, and it is worth 41. So that's a good one. Definitely gonna keep this one. So yeah, folks, here we go. That's an awesome unboxing, super fun. And once again, if you do like my videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. And check my Instagram page and we can vote on the next unboxing for next week. This is Mystery Maniac, aka Ryan, and I'll see you next week. Aloha.